Yeah, it's
I mean, we went back every year. Went through Omaha, through the. Is GE lengthening, putting out a new locomotive, or somebody told me they were going to lengthen one, or
That's the new version of the GEs right there.
that's the newest one.
Yeah.
Are they making a bigger power unit though, a longer one for some new?
I don't know, but that's the one.
Yeah, yeah. Right, yeah, they're pushing them to break off down at where's they break off? Down there. They won't go all the way into the stop out to the stretch on the west side of the freeway there, right out near the college.
okay.
And that's where usually they break off like the side set the sides there, and they put all the mobiles I just got a 70 to the depot and have my lunch down there watching the building.
Yeah, I was there last year during the railroad days.
Yeah.
Day one with the student leaders at that was a really great experience. But I decided that this year I saw it last year, and I know this time that was coming out, and I thought I'm gonna go on. This is gonna be my It was also my early birthday present. My birthday is on 10th, so it's getting myself a yeah. Why not?
Have you ever been up to Sacramento, the big railroad?
I have not. A lot of people tell me it's great and I have to go, and so I have to make it. I can afford it if they make a trip out of it.
Yeah.
And I barely can afford to make it out here. So.
Yeah, I went ahead and flew up into Sacramento and down Yeah, right into the help. Yeah, they can head up and down.
Looks like this might be in an ethanol tank. From the looks of it.
Yeah. Once in a while I catch the big Elk Grove oil that comes out of that one that carries all the fuel down there, back and forth out of the dock there, right? One comes up about 1 month or whatever. But it's as long as these, but it's got those cooked fillers for you. So they can fill it.
Oh yeah.
And those are the vaccines have another.
So what railroad used to come through here besides Santa Fe? Southern?
At one point it was Pacific and the Southern Pacific as well that have passed through here, but predominantly it was Santa Fe. It was Santa Fe pretty much always right of, it was always on the right of way. short here.
Yeah, that's it.
Where? Oh, of course they do. Yeah. And then I'll film it. He's on the track. Just come right back though. What side? That's it. Yeah.
Come on up, you're the shortest.
You got the bell going on it.
Yeah,
That's what you're hearing.
I know. Now, awesome.
Oh, yeah.
Is that we're gonna stop it? Or we're gonna pull it forward?
Looks like everybody's kind of going this way.